Hey everyone, it's Tammy and I have an unboxing from something that I got from Etsy. So I thought that I would show you guys what it is. Now I am on location in my family room knitting and my husband just brought in the mail. So I am not getting my tripod. Instead, I am just winging it. So I'm going to pause this for a second and I will be back after I have opened it. Alright, so here is the package. I got a little note that says, "Thank you for your order. We appreciate reviews." And this is from Engrave Me Treasures. And I think I know what this is. And I am excited because it came quickly. It's in this cute little bag. And this is it. And you guys can't tell what it is yet. But they are little pieces of leather that I had customized with my little logo. And they can go on garments like a little tag. Isn't that cute? It says TT Scraps. And I don't think it's real leather. But you just fold it like this, put a couple stitches of yarn or whatever you want, thread, to sew it into like the brim of hats or whatever. Isn't that cute with my little hedgehog? Oh boy, I'm so excited. So thanks for watching, guys. Bye-bye.